Elon Musk with his dashing signature dance moves announced the much-awaited launch of the Giga-Berlin. When 30 elegant Model Y was finally revealed for inaugural delivery, everyone was drooling over the stylish beasts. But the rest of the European car industry was shocked and worried. But why? Well, do you want to know about it? Then stay tuned to the video. Welcome to Elon Musk Newest. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss the newest update on SpaceX, Tesla, Starship, or anything related to Mr. Elon Musk. That being said, let's begin. Tesla Giga-Berlin has already taken Model Y automobiles out of the facility's grounds for deliveries across Europe, more than a week after its inaugural delivery event. The first Model Y deliveries were conducted on March 22 at Tesla Giga-Berlin, with Elon Musk personally giving over the vehicles to the buyers. Another unexpected dancing performance by Musk was shared with the audience at the occasion. Tesla received a preliminary license to begin commercial production at the facility earlier this month, allowing it to make up to 500,000 vehicles per year. The corporation had wanted to begin production at the facility in the summer of 2021, but the pandemic, supply chain problems, and environmental concerns all contributed to postponing it. Grenada's mayor has stated that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to boost the local economy. The presence of Tesla's Gigafactory is likely to boost the local economy without a doubt. Nearly 40,000 employment may be created in the next 3 years. Tesla is confident in the European market, and the company's automobiles are in high demand. The Tesla facility in Germany will have a gradual influence on the European automobile market. The first distinction is that European buyers would not have to wait for their vehicles to arrive from China. From a production standpoint, the plant would help Tesla expand its capacity. If Tesla decides to create additional models for the European market, the German facility will be critical to its success. Germany is Europe's major automotive power and one of the world's most important. So, if Tesla wants to build a name for itself in the European automobile business, it has chosen the appropriate location. Tesla grew sales by 87% for most of last year. This was the time when major automakers, such as Ford and General Motors, had to shut down plants for months due to supply shortages. It goes without saying that Tesla has the amazing ability to conjure up crucial components for its electric vehicles. With this pace of expansion, it will pose a threat to the supremacy of GM and Volkswagen. Analysts attributed Elon Musk's concentration on making every component of Tesla's automobiles as a significant reason why the company could keep up with demand a few years ago. For their software and computational capabilities, larger automotive firms rely on other vendors. Elon Musk's choice has vindicated Tesla unbeatable in the face of a current scarcity of computer chips, which has harmed businesses in this category. People kept buying Teslas, even when the epidemic arrived and the car sector took a knock. When Tesla was unable to obtain the chip it desired, it took the chips it could obtain and changed the software that controlled them to meet its requirements. Before switching to a new processor, Tesla might spend merely weeks updating its software. During this time, Tesla boosted its prices. The brand can manage its price because it isn't reliant on the archaic dealership model. Tesla is as much a software company as it is a vehicle company. It remains inventive without relying on standard model year mid-cycle upgrades or major redesigns. Tesla instead uses its free over-the-air upgrade service to update its vehicles. Tesla will begin operations at the Giga-Berlin manufacturing a vehicle every 4 to 5 seconds. That's a fraction of the time most people spend eating breakfast. Tesla's Gigafactory in Berlin will build the Model Y primarily for the European market. This implies that over 600,000 Model Ys will be supplied to customers across Europe each year. Many other vehicle companies have recognized that they need to follow Tesla's lead and seize control of the majority of their production operations. Tesla is no stranger to accelerating at a breakneck pace. Musk confirmed that Tesla produces many more vehicles than other automakers even in a crisis. Other automakers are waking up to the notion that automobiles are no longer defined by how they drive. A considerable influence is also played by software. Tesla is already well ahead of the curve, so the revelation came too late. Automobile manufacturers such as Daimler and Ford are attempting to catch up by employing engineers and programmers to assist them in designing semiconductors and writing software for their vehicles. On top of that, Tesla has its own network of public fast-charging stations in addition to its own stores and service facilities. Do you think Tesla will again be proven unbeatable in Europe? Let us know in the comments below. And most importantly, if you want to be updated on every single topic related to Elon Musk, then you should consider subscribing to the channel and pressing the bell icon. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.